You ever use a website or an app that's so fast, so smooth, it almost feels like magic? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on a process that promises to get a huge task done in just 90 seconds. We're going to figure out exactly how they pull it off. Let's dive right in. It all kicks off with this incredibly bold promise from a platform called AcademicJobs.com. 90 seconds to post a job. I mean, think about that. That's less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. This isn't just some random feature, it's a really powerful hook designed to grab their target audience, super busy employers in the world of higher education. So the big question is, how on earth is a promise like that even possible? Is it just some clever marketing, a bit of fluff, or is there a real solid system under the hood? Well, that's exactly what we're here to find out. We are going to deconstruct this entire user journey, piece by piece, to see the blueprint behind that 90-second claim. Okay, first, let's just focus on that promise itself. In a world that's so cluttered with complicated websites and endless forms, leading with a simple, powerful benefit like this, it's a masterstroke. It immediately tells a user, hey, we get it. We value your time. It sets this expectation of speed and simplicity before you've even clicked a single button. So how do they actually make good on this promise? Well, it all boils down to a brilliantly simple 4-step blueprint. And this structure is absolutely key because it gives you, the user, a clear roadmap right from the get-go. No surprises, no hidden steps, no confusion. And here are those 4 steps. Just look how straightforward this is. Select your country, choose a package, add the job details, and then pay. That's it. The beauty of this is how linear it is. Each step is just a small, manageable task that logically follows the last one. It's designed to minimize any chance for you to get confused or frustrated. All right, so the first 2 steps are pretty simple choices, right? And the last one is just a standard payment process. But where does the real speed come from? This brings us to the core of the whole system, the AI-powered engine that makes that 90-second promise a reality. This is where the magic really happens. So here's the crucial part. Step 3. Add details and post. That is the absolute linchpin of this entire process. Now, normally, this is the part that takes forever. You're manually copying and pasting job descriptions, requirements, contact info. It's tedious. But this system has a really clever solution for that. And here is that clever solution. Instead of making you fill out a dozen different fields, it just asks for one single thing, the URL of the job posting you already have online. Their AI quick job posting technology then goes to that page, scrapes all the key info, and instantly populates everything into their database. It completely eliminates all that boring, manual data entry. And this number right here, this shows you the real-world benefit. This one little piece of technology saves a user an estimated 6 to 10 minutes for every single job they post. Now, imagine you're posting dozens or even hundreds of jobs. The time savings become absolutely astronomical. This isn't just a minor improvement. For their customers, this is a total game changer. Okay, so we've established the user experience is incredibly efficient. But how does that turn into a successful business? To really get the full picture, we've got to take a look at their pricing structure. They've got 3 really distinct options. There's a single post for a one-off hire, a small package of 4 ads, and then the big one, an unlimited annual subscription for the heavy users. The prices are super clear, and you can see how each option is built for a very different kind of customer. I mean, this is classic smart customer segmentation. The single job post is perfect for, say, a small academic department that just needs to fill one spot right now. But that unlimited plan, that is tailor-made for a huge university's central HR department, which has a constant, never-ending stream of job vacancies. By doing this, they're catering to the entire market, from the smallest to the biggest players. So, now that we've deconstructed the process, the tech, and the business model, what are the big lessons here? What can we take away from all this? Why does this model of extreme simplicity work so incredibly well? It really all comes down to these 4 secrets for digital efficiency. First, reduce user friction at all costs. Get rid of anything that slows the user down. That AI tool is the perfect example. Second, lead with your single greatest benefit. In this case, 90 seconds. It just cuts right through all the noise. Third, know your audience and create clear, targeted options for them, just like they did with those pricing tiers. And finally, and this is the most important one, use technology to actually deliver on your core promise. The AI isn't just a cool gimmick, it's the engine that makes the whole 90-second claim a reality. So what's the big takeaway here? It's that a relentless, obsessive focus on simplicity, powered by smart technology, can turn a really tedious task into an experience that feels, well, effortless. And it makes you wonder, doesn't it? What's one complicated, time-consuming task in your own life that you just wish could be simplified down to 90 seconds?